Are you looking for the best rolling walkers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best rolling walkers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elenker All-Terrain Rollator Walker. The Elenker Rollator Walker is designed for outdoor use, featuring 12-inch solid polyurethane tires that ensure a smooth ride over various terrains like grass, gravel, and dirt. When it's time to travel, you'll appreciate its compact folding design, allowing you to easily store it in most car trunks. The dual braking system enhances your control, letting you slow down by squeezing and lock the walker by pushing down. Additionally, the walker includes convenient features like a zipper storage bag, a cane holder, and a cup holder, keeping your essentials within easy reach while leaving your hands free. What we like: excellent for outdoor use, compact and travel-friendly, easy-to-use braking system, convenient storage options. Number 2. Helavo Foldable All-Terrain Walker with Seat. The Helavo Foldable All-Terrain Walker with Seat is designed for seniors who still spend a lot of time outdoors. With large 12-inch pneumatic rubber tires, this walker is perfect for all surfaces. It is lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. The height-adjustable handles and adjustable pressure of the wheels ensure a comfortable ride. It also has an integrated cane holder, ergonomic handles, and an easy-to-use braking system. With a maximum load capacity of 300 pounds, this rollator meets the highest quality and safety standards. What we like: large 12-inch pneumatic rubber tires for safe and comfortable movement on all surfaces. Lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to carry. Individually adjustable handles and pressure of the wheels ensure a comfortable ride. Number 3. Helavo All-Terrain Walker. The Helavo walker is designed for your comfort and safety. Its soft padded armrests help you maintain a straight posture, alleviating strain on your shoulders and back. The 10-inch rubber wheels provide excellent cushioning, allowing you to navigate various outdoor surfaces with ease. Constructed from durable aluminum, this walker supports up to 300 pounds while remaining lightweight at just 22.7 pounds. Plus, the user-friendly braking system ensures you can stop safely whenever needed. With these features, you can enjoy a pain-free walking experience and greater independence. What we like: padded armrests for comfort, puncture-proof rubber tires, lightweight and durable design, easy-to-use braking system. Number 4. Helavo Bariatric All-Terrain Walker. The Helavo All-Terrain Walker is designed for your comfort and safety. Its strong aluminum frame can support up to 500 pounds, providing a sturdy option for users. You can easily adjust the height and seat to find the most comfortable fit for your needs. The walker features an extra-large padded backrest and ergonomic handles, ensuring a comfortable grip and support. Additionally, the spacious transport basket allows you to carry personal items effortlessly, while the intuitive braking system enhances safety during use. What we like: 500 pounds weight capacity, height-adjustable handles, padded backrest for comfort, spacious transport basket, intuitive braking system. Number 5. Drive Medical 4-Wheel Rollator Walker with Seat, Blue. Drive Medical Rollator Walker is a stylish, stable, and strong walker designed for seniors and adults who seek stability. The rollator features a durable and supportive frame, a comfortable seat, and an under-seat storage pouch. It has 4 7.5-inch caster wheels that provide a stable roll, and a hand brake that can be pressed or pushed down to lock the walker with wheels into place. The easy turn lever allows you to adjust the height of the handles from 31 to 35 inches. And the removable hinged backrest can be folded up or down. It is a portable rollator with a side-to-side folding design that allows you to fold it with one hand and maintain a standing position. What we like: stylish, stable, and strong. Adjustable height and removable backrest. Portable and easy to fold with one hand.